Hi programmers, this is Saras and I'm going to show you how to execute a program in Java. So this tutorial is for beginners, all those programmers out there who are new to Java, who are just willing to execute their programs in a command prompt. So I'll show you how to write a program using Notepad, and then after we have written our program using Notepad, and then after that we have to execute it inside in a command prompt. Okay, so I just click that new and then I say text and I click there and I double click there so that enter to the notepad, right? So then after that save as. So in order to save this as file, I have to save it as, I have to say hello dot java dot java. So hello dot java, then I put that. So that is the extension. Okay. So that is the extension there, .java. So it just symbolizes that this is the source code for a Java program. So let me just save it. I wasn't supposed to save it there. I have to create a new folder for it so that it can be easy for me to execute it inside my command prompt. So just create new folder there, which I'll call it Java, and then enter that file, and then yeah, hello. So now here we want to write a code that we will execute it in a command prompt. So command prompt is just a command line for Windows, whereby you can execute your program, you can check your directory files, you can do a lot of things using command prompt. So let's write our program. First thing first is that every code in Java is written inside a class. So public class. Then we can name it the name of the class. So we have to write the name of a class. So just say hello world. Hello world. So after hello world, and then say public static void main, then you say string, then you say args. Yeah, then you close your class here. You close your class, right? I don't remember well, but then I think your class, you have to put that guy there to indicate that that is the end of the class. Okay, that is the end of the class. Okay, now let's put the statement to output hello world on the screen. So print line. So what's that? So just say hello world. Okay, first thing first, you have to download JDK so that you can be able to execute those programs. There are lots of videos on YouTube that shows you how to download a JDK. JDK is a Java development kit that helps you to execute and compile and execute your program in Java. So so this I think I've done creating this. This line will just execute after print. I've made a mistake there. So that's its print line. It's print line system.out.println. Yeah, so now I can just save that. So that is just a basic program. So after this, I have to just go the anonymize command prompt. Say cmd, just type cmd on a search line, on a search box here. Yeah, you see there is. Then you enter there. And then you change directly to videos, whereby we have, okay, first then you say directory, and then this is our directory whereby with Java. That is the folder that I created, and I created that folder inside the folder which is videos. Then inside videos there's this directory which is Java that I created here. So I want to get inside this directory which is Java. So I'll just say change directory. So say Java. Then I'm inside it. So I have to check inside this directory what's inside it. So I have this file hello.java. So I want to convert this file into an object code. So after I've converted into an object code, it will have there will be another file inside that folder that is hello.class. They are hello.class. So what I actually want to do is to convert, of course, the program or the source code into an object code, which is a machine language which has zeros and ones that can be understood by the computer. So in order for this computer to do that, it has to check for a syntax error first. So if there is a syntax error, it will not do that. It will not convert my code into an object code or a machine language or zeros and ones. So it will just indicate that there are errors, and then I have to go and fix those errors first in order for this program to be converted into an object code. So let's write the commands for compiling this guy. So Java C, then you will just write this word as it is. Hello, no, those are uppercase letters. Hello dot Java, hello dot Java, Java C, hello dot Java, yes. So if the errors will see it will not compile, but then you see now it's indicating public class hello world. Why there is one error in file name hello world. So you see now it's now indicating the error. So it's like we have an error in line number 1. So line number 1, that is our line number 1, public class hello world. Okay, let's get back to the error. Let's say to public class. I don't know if it wants me to write that class in full or what, but okay. So one error. So hello.java. So there's one error, and class is so it should be declared in a file name dot hello world. Alright, okay guys, I forgot something. Sorry for that. So the file name has to be the same as the class name. Those are the rules of Java. See, like I'm using C++, so I forgot sometimes those types of things like this. So the file name, this word has to be the same as, so the class name has to be the same as the file name. So let's just do that. So hello world Java. Java, yeah, our files, yeah, yeah. Now I said now I think. See now the file name is hello world, and then the class name is hello world. So now I think we are set now. Let's go and try to fix and try to execute our program. So okay, so like cd. No, I'm still inside the same directory and just check it again. So now we have this and this is the new file that we created which is hello world.java. So let's compile that one. Java c hello world dot java. All right, hello world dot java. Yeah, so that is it. Java C hello world dot java. What I've done there. Java C hello world dot java. Java C, yeah. Then I hit enter. So yeah, see now there are no errors this time around. I've pressed enter, but then there are no errors, so it's not complaining about syntax error. So that means I've managed to convert this program into an object code. So for those who don't know an object code, the object code is the machine language version of a high level language program. So okay, so now let's execute it now. So after here it has been converted to an object code. Of course, the linker has linked it with a library, and then it has been loaded into a memory by the loader. Now we have to execute it with this command java, then you put the word hello world dot java. You see the difference is that then there's C, but then on this command below there's no C, so just hit enter. Voila, hello world. So guys, I think we're done now. Thank you. I've managed to show. So these are the directories. So if you want to see the directory now, this is hello world.class. So that is the file that is been loaded into the memory that we executed it. It has been linked by the linker, and then we executed it, and then we displayed it on this. We display the output on the screen, which is hello world. So thank you guys. I'll see you on the next videos of Java. This was the first video. Please download JDK. You have to go to YouTube and go on